Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to link Bitget to Google Authenticator. So first of all, open the Bitget application. Make sure to download it from the App Store or Play Store, and also download the Google Authenticator application. So once downloaded, you can just simply open Bitget, and from the most upper left corner, just click on the profile button and you will see your profile. So just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, so you will see an interface like this one. So from this you can choose, the first option is profile, go to security, which is the second option, and once you open the security, scroll down, and the third option is basically Google Authenticator. Just click on Google Authenticator, click on next, and after that just click on got it, and you can just copy this code, the one that is visible on the screen. You can just click on copy and it will be copied, and after that just go back to the Google Authenticator application. And once you open the Google Authenticator, so you will see this one. So just click on this plus button from the most below right corner and enter a setup key. And once you click here, just enter your key and write down the name. So in our case, which is Bitget. So let me just write down Bitget, and type of key, basically time period or counter based. You can just simply time based, that is your choice. You can set it, click on add, and once you click on add, so your code will be added like that. After that, just copy the code and paste it inside the Bitget. So 596238, enter the code, and it will basically click on next and it will verify it. As you can see, they have sent a verification code to my email address. So I'm just checking my email code as well, and here's 091960. And once it is confirmed, as you can see, like my Google authentication is a green tick. That means that it has been successfully linked with my Bitget account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.